fresh, warm, filtered water to slowly and gently trickle into the instrument and then into your colon. There's minimal pressure to that water.
It's slow? It's not...
Yes.
Okay.
No, it's slow so that...
It absorbs, it goes...
There's not undue pressure on the colon and a premature urge to release that water because of pressure.
Okay.
We would like your colon to be as relaxed as possible, to allow the water to flow as far as possible around, and for you to be comfortable during that time. Then the water that has come into your colon, as well as any waste material that is picked up, can flow back out through the waste hose. So you stop and the water stops going, and then it just naturally flows back out. Yes. I don't push, nothing happens? No pushing, no. The water will flow in, and the water and waste will then flow back out again. And then the coolest part is you get to watch it come out in this little machinery here. Yes, you do. Okay. You get to view the water and the waste flowing out through the waste. How long is the whole process? Well, the whole process will take approximately 45 minutes to an hour. Okay. Sometimes a little more if required. Okay. Depends on what each person's tolerance is and what the need is in each session. And how far do you usually get like in the first session, how far does it go into the colon? Yes, the goal of every session is for the entire colon to be cleansed. So we will hope to accomplish that. It may not happen, but that is the goal of every session. As the water and the waste leave the colon with each fill and release, you can get further. Yes. Right. Space is being created where that waste had previously been sitting, so that the water can get further and further around. That's why you suggest multiple. Slowly, yes. And then ultimately, eventually reaching the cecum, the very beginning of your large intestine. Okay. And to accomplish that, since the colon is approximately 6 feet in length, 5 to 7 is considered the average, and 1 inch to 2 in diameter, it does take a while to cleanse the entire length of the large intestine. And the water is kept at approximately body temperature throughout the entire session, so you'll be most comfortable as well. And then when does the massage come in? Massaging is taking place throughout the session. Okay. Typically on the release. When the fill is occurring and the water is coming into your colon, the pressure can be building, it's better to just allow the colon to relax during that period of time. And then when the release occurs is when we want to encourage some movement in your colon, and that's the best time to do the massage. Okay. So you'll have massaging throughout the entire session. Okay. Except not during the fills. Right. Now, after the bulk of the waste, no pun intended, is removed from the center of your colon, the water can begin accessing the bowel walls, where in folds, in crevices, where mucus and toxins, there may be some old, hardened, encrusted, congealed material. This should be interesting. Sitting for extended periods of time. Yes. Okay. Even if we're moving our bowels regularly, there can be some residue left behind, and that can contain toxins, it can contain harmful bacteria, other possible pathogens, sometimes even parasites, and removing all of that material can create a much greater sense of well-being. Yeah. Great. Thank you so much. Oh, you're so welcome.